Hello and welcome to GOA365 News Bulletin with me, Leena Naik. The verdict on infamous rape and murder of British tourist Scarlett Keeling has finally been delivered. The Goa Children's Court has acquitted both the accused. Scarlett's mother has criticized the judgment while calling the CBI an incompetent agency. Her lawyer has said the police have covered up.
It was 8 years back, the 15-year-old British girl was found raped and murdered on Anjuna Beach in shallow waters on 19th of February 2008. After Goa police investigating the case for some time, it was handed over to the CBI. Local shack owners Samson D'Souza and Placido Carvalho were charge-sheeted for culpable homicide, sexual assault and causing injury or death through supplying drugs and destroying evidence. The court has now acquitted both the accused for lack of evidence against them. Scarlett's mother Fiona said that she had lost all hope as CBI has only proved to be incompetent.
This afternoon the court announced that the judgment was being typed, but both accused are acquitted of all charges. The medical evidence confirms that my daughter was grievously assaulted, raped and murdered after some criminals gave her alcohol and cocaine. Right from the beginning, I knew that the local police did not want to prosecute the killers. It took a huge effort for me even to get the police to register a complaint. I had some hope with the CBI, but it is clear that they are either incompetent or corrupt, and I don't believe they're incompetent. I can only say that if the international tourists come to Goa and are murdered, they have no hope for justice in this system. The criminal justice system protects the criminals and not the tourists. And I don't have the financial resources or the strength to wait for another 8 years for an appeal.
Scarlett's mother's lawyer alleged Goa's corrupt police officials protected by its high-ups and covered up the case to protect the accused. Fiona had earlier alleged that the top politicians are involved in killing her teenage daughter.
But in this particular case, everything went wrong right from the beginning. Right? And it was clear to my client, right, that certain corrupt officers of the Goa police, protected by certain higher-ups, were interested to cover up this case. And it was clear that even if they registered the case as a murder, they would give enough time for all evidence to be destroyed. Now, I do not know what the reasons are for the acquittal, but we will come to those reasons after we examine a copy of the judgment.
Our senior reporter Kenzil Rodrigues with video journalist Irshad Sheikh in Panji.